So good morning everybody. Back to the accounts class, second PU accounts class. So yesterday we were dealing with profit and loss appropriation account. So we saw a small example of it. Now let us see how the partner's capital account will be opened in respect to profit and loss appropriation account, and what are all the items which has to be transferred from profit and loss appropriation account to the partner's capital account. So let us deal with the problem. So this is the problem. Hope you can see it. Take a screenshot of it and note down in your notes. So let me explain the problem. Amitabh and Babul are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. So the profit sharing ratio is 3:2 with capitals of rupees 50,000 and 30,000. So Amitabh's capital is 50,000 and Babul's capital is 30,000 respectively. Then the second point, interest on capital is agreed at 6% per annum. So the interest on capital is 6% on the capitals of Amitabh and Babul. And the next point, Babul is to be allowed an annual salary of rupees 2,500. So Babul is getting an annual salary of 2,500 a year. During the year 2016-17, the profits prior to the calculation of interest on capital, but after charging Babul's salary, amounted to rupees 12,500. So in profits prior to the calculation of interest on capital, after charging Babul's salary, which was amounted to rupees 12,500. And a provision of 5% of profit is to be made in respect of commission to the manager. So the 5% of profit is a commission to the manager. So they are saying us to prepare profit and loss appropriation account showing the distribution of profit and the partner's capital accounts for the year ending March 31st, 2017. So you can observe in the problem they have not given directly the net profit. So we have to calculate the net profit. So see here carefully, Babul is to be allowed an annual salary of 2,500. Okay. During the year 2016-17, see here, during the year 2016-17, the profits prior to the calculation of interest on capital, that is before to the calculation of interest on capital, but after charging Babul's salary, the Babul salary was amounted to rupees 12,500. So this is the profit year, 12,500, the Babul salary, which is after charging Babul salary and before calculation of interest. So here see the previous one, Babul is to be allowed an annual salary of 2,500. So adding 12,500 plus 2,500, we will get a net profit of rupees 15,000. So this profit has to be considered as net profit while we are preparing the profit and loss appropriation account. So let us solve the problem. Follow the pro forma. See here, net profit, which is before, as I explained you now, before Babul's salary. So 12,500 plus 2,500 becomes 15,000. Got the calculation of net profit? Now let us see. In next, Babul is getting a salary of annual salary of 2,500. Next, the interest on capital is agreed at 6%. So, interest on capital. So, Amitabh and Babul. So, Amitabh's capital is 50,000 and 6% on it, it is 3,000. And the Babul's capital is 30,000 and the 6% interest on capital on 30% is 1,800. And next, we have a provision of 5% of profit is to be made in respect of commission to the manager. So manager's commission. Manager's commission. They have said 5% on profit. So the profit is 15,000 on profit. 15,000, that is 15,000. So 15,000 into 5% comes to 750 rupees. So we have done with all the things. Now let us see, we'll get profit or loss. So 15,000, here this side total is 2,500 plus 3,000 plus 1,800 plus 750, which comes to 8,050. So 15,000 minus 8,050 comes to 6,950. What is this amount? The profit transferred to partners capital account. Okay, so let us share the profit between Amitabh and Babul. So what is the profit sharing ratio? It is 3:2, right? So 6,950 into 3 by 5 is equals to 4,170. What is this 3? It is the profit sharing ratio of Amitabh. Next, 6,950 into 2 by 5. 2 is the profit sharing ratio of Babul. So it comes to 2,780 rupees. So total 6,950. So the total is 15,000. Both the sides. So we are done with profit and loss appropriation account. So take a screenshot of it and write profit and loss appropriation account. Try to solve, just do not copy it. Okay, hope so you have taken it. Now let us deal with capital account. So we have two partners. We'll open a separate accounts for each partners. Amitabh's capital account. So first we need to transfer the balance brought down, that is the capital. So 2016 April 1st, balance carried down, brought down. What is the brought down amount? 50,000, the capital of Amitabh. Next, transfer the interest on capital. Before transferring interest on capital, we have Amitabh's interest on capital. We do not have any other adjustments regarding Amitabh. So interest on capital, we have interest on capital. At the end of the year we will be paying. So for 31st March, interest on capital. See here, interest on capital 3,000, Amitabh's 3,000. Next, see what are all the items regarding Amitabh is there. We have profit, and profit of Amitabh is 4,170. So we need to transfer it on March 31st. What is this? Profit and loss appropriation account, which is a share of profit. What is the share of Amitabh's profit? It is 4,170. So see the profit and loss appropriation account. See anywhere the Amitabh is there, interest on capital we have transferred, and we have transferred Amitabh's share of profit to the Amitabh's capital account. So that's all we have. Let us calculate. 50,000 plus 3,000 plus 4,170 comes to 57,170. So here on 31st March 2017, we have the balance carried down, that is 57,170. So it makes a total of 57,170 and 57,170. So we are done with Amitabh's capital account. So take a screenshot of it. It's just nothing but transferring the records related to Amitabh to its capital account from profit and loss account, loss appropriation account. Okay. Next, we have another partner, Babul. So 1st April 2016, he introduced a capital to the business, 30,000. And see, in profit and loss appropriation, where we have a bubble. So first when we have bubble salary 2,500. So let us transfer it. Bubble's salary 2,500. Next, see the for profit and loss appropriation account. Next we have interest on capital bubble, rupees 1,800. So transfer it. 31st March. Bubble's interest on capital. Don't use the name bubble as we are opening in the Bubble's capital account. So for your understanding, I have written, that's all. You don't copy it. Interest on capital 1,800. Next, see the appropriation account. We have profit of Bubble. So profit 31st March, we have profit or loss appropriation, that is share of profit, that is 2,780. So that's all we have. We don't have this side, so we'll calculate it. 30,000 plus 2,500 plus 7,800 plus 2,780 comes to 37,080. So 31st March 2017, balance carried down 37,080. So make a total of 37,080. So we have done with Bubble's capital account also. So take a screenshot from first. This is profit and loss appropriation account that we have prepared. Hope you have understood the problem. And next we have opened Amitabh's capital account and transferred all things which is related to Amitabh's from profit and loss appropriation account. And then the other partner Bubble's capital account we have prepared. That's all with the profit and loss appropriation account. So in next class we will deal with how to calculate the interest on capital. Okay. Thank you. Let us wind up for today. Hope you have taken the screenshots and hope you will be writing in your notes. Thank you.